Hello, this is Tomlin from TomlinHarmonicaLessons.com, and this week's weekly harmonica lick is a lick that I did ages ago in a lesson I called 7 Easy Blues Harmonica Licks. So for this lick you'll need a C harmonica. We're playing in second position in the key of G, and before I show you how to play it, let's have a quick listen to the lick again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we are starting on the 6th blow, and we're going to play 4 quarter notes. So we're going to do 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw, 4 blow. And that's starting on beat 1. So that'll be. Okay, and then in the next bar, starting on beat 1, we're going to have 4 eighth notes. So those are notes that last for half a beat. We're going to be playing a 3 draw half step bend, then a 2 draw, then a 2 blow, and then a 2 draw. So that's ba 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 ba. Okay, and if we put both halves together, it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, the most important thing with this is to make sure that you are starting on the right hole, starting on the 6th blow. And then from there on, it's quite easy. You're just coming back down towards the 2 hole, pretty much following the outline of the blues scale. So it's quite useful to think of it like that. You're not playing the 4 draw bend, but you are following that blues scale movement. You're actually playing a minor pentatonic scale backwards. All right. So, thank you very much for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And then if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my lessons because I put out lots and lots all the time. And once you've subscribed, hit the little bell icon so that you get notified when the new lessons get uploaded, and that really helps me out. Now, to make your harmonica learning a little bit easier, if you click on the link in the description below, you can go to my full lesson on this lick and the other 6 licks that I'm teaching you. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Happy harping.